Hi, back for another video. Awesome! So I attended the Vdub Fest, a really cool car exhibition in Warmbaths, a forever resort in Bela-Bela, Limpopo, and I recorded this video just so you can see the place because I slept over, so there's lots to see, and they have a lot of activities that you or your kids can get up to. And okay, problem is I didn't get up to any of them because I was doing festival things. Okay, you can watch bits and pieces of the festival at the end of this video, but for now, here are some activities that you can get up to at Warmbaths, a forever resort.
And damn, how's that for a sexy boutique store, right? Endless performance in the building, we ain't messing around out here. Road performance, Valvetronic exhaust, Audison sound system all round. Vdub can't face up at 20.
Okay. Let me go get your tab, mama.
Now, baby, down this promotion. You better believe it's time to give a toast to the woman of the decade. Too bad to be played. Get vexed and I'm bound to throw shade all over your body. Whose body? Your body. I can rock a party like nobody. Leave it time to take home.
I gotta say, this was one of the most interesting weekends that I had ever had. I was tired out of my body. Thank you so much for watching this video. I know I didn't show much of myself, but as you know, this channel is about the adventure. It's about the spaces that I get to see so that you can see them too. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for subscribing in advance. Hit that notification bell as well. Like this video, leave a comment. Let's connect on Instagram. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mwah.